Harbor Breeze fan remotes offer universal compatibility across different models, making replacements readily available and setup straightforward. There are two main pairing methods depending on your remote type: the Learn button method for newer remotes, and dip switch matching for older models. For newer remotes with a Learn or Reset button, start by turning off the fan's power at the wall switch or circuit breaker. Then restore power within 30 seconds. The Learn or Reset button is typically located in the battery compartment. Press it with a small tool, and the fan may turn on briefly, or the light may blink to confirm successful pairing. For older remotes using dip switches, you need to match the switch positions on both the remote and the receiver inside the fan housing. Harbor Breeze remotes use radio frequency signals, which means they don't require direct line of sight to operate. This allows reliable control from anywhere in the room. When your Harbor Breeze remote stops working, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to restore functionality. Let's walk through the most effective solutions. The first and most common solution is to replace the batteries. Even if the LED indicator on your remote lights up, the batteries might not have enough power to send strong signals to the fan receiver. If you have multiple Harbor Breeze fans in your home, they might interfere with each other. Try adjusting the frequency settings on your remote to find a clear channel that doesn't conflict with other fans. If your remote successfully pairs, but the fan still doesn't respond, the problem likely lies with the receiver unit inside the fan. This electronic component can fail over time and may need replacement. When replacing a remote, always check the FCC ID printed on the back of your original remote. This ensures you purchase a compatible replacement that will work with your specific fan model. Sometimes a simple reset can resolve remote issues. Remove the batteries from your remote and press all the buttons for a few seconds. This clears any stored settings and prepares the remote for repairing. Keep in mind that Harbor Breeze remotes have a maximum range of 40 feet. The remote also depends entirely on a functioning receiver inside the fan. If problems persist after trying these steps, don't hesitate to contact Harbor Breeze customer service for additional support. Following these troubleshooting steps systematically will resolve most Harbor Breeze remote control issues and restore full functionality to your ceiling fan.